Have you ever wondered if platforms promising the latest discounts and deals are truly worth your time, or just another marketing trap? Price Drop Club, available at pricedropclub.com, claims to deliver the hottest discounts, promotions, and exclusive deals from major retailers, but is it really a reliable platform? Or just another website capitalizing on bargain hunters' curiosity? Looking deeper, we found the domain has been active since March 2023, which makes it relatively new in the e-commerce and deal-sharing space, giving both a sense of freshness and some uncertainty about long-term credibility. The website maintains a strong social media presence with frequent posts highlighting deals and savings, which certainly adds a layer of engagement. Yet social activity alone doesn't guarantee trustworthiness. Interestingly, the platform provides public founder information, making it easier to identify who is behind it, a point that tends to add transparency. Although limited user reviews and feedback make it harder to judge actual service reliability. One notable feature is the integration of Amazon purchase links, which allows users to directly access products through established e-commerce channels, reducing some of the usual risks associated with newer platforms. Despite these factors, several questions remain unanswered, such as whether all promotions are genuinely verified or sometimes just affiliate-driven recommendations. While some users might find real savings, others could be left wondering if the deals are as beneficial as advertised, especially since independent verification of discounts isn't fully transparent. Overall, Price Drop Club sits in an interesting position where its modern design, social media activity, and apparent transparency suggest effort. But the lack of long-term track record and comprehensive user feedback means potential users should approach cautiously, cross-checking offers before relying on them entirely. If you're curious about exploring deals through newer platforms, Price Drop Club might be a tool worth observing, but it's not a clear-cut guarantee of consistent savings.